In this video, we will talk about variables. A variable is referred to something that can change. What exactly a variable is? They are container for storing information. A variable can be initiated with a value and that value can be changed. A variable can hold only a specific type of value. It means if you have declared a variable as an integer, it can hold only an integer value. So now let's understand the syntax of declaring a variable. A variable is declared with its data type. And here after the data type we can specify the name of our variable. A variable can also be declared with a value. So there is another method of declaring a variable. First we will specify the data type, then the name of a variable, and then we can specify the value of this variable. So now let's understand with the help of an example how we can declare a variable and what type of values a variable can hold. Here are some examples of variables. Here I have declared a variable of integer data type and name of that variable is num, which is initialized with a value of 90. Our variable can hold a string value, a double value and a boolean value. So the name of my variable is value and the type of my variable is double. First you have to specify the data type and then the name of the variable. So these are some examples of initialized variables. If uninitialized, a variable can hold a default value based on its data type. For example, let's say here I am declaring a variable of integer type and the name of my variables will be marks. So this variable is uninitialized right now. So what the value this variable is hold, it will hold a default value. It will hold a value of 0 because it is of type integer. Suppose if I have declared a variable named as double D, this is my uninitialized variable and this will gonna hold 0.0 value. If I have declared a variable string as uninitialized, let's say string n, it will gonna hold a null value. So uninitialized variables will hold a default value based on its data type. You can provide a name to your variable according to your programming need, but there are certain guidelines which we have to follow while declaring a variable. So let's see them. What are these? What are those guidelines while we must understand while we have declared a variable. So here are some guidelines which you have to follow while declaring a variable name. A variable name cannot include white space, which means that if I have declared a variable with a space between them, that declaration will not be valid. Let's understand with the help of an example. Suppose I am declaring a variable named as marks1. This declaration is not valid. You cannot put a space between your variable name. Now this one is valid. Another point is that a variable does not start with a numeric value. Means if you have declared a variable, try to declare a variable with an integer value, this declaration will not be a valid declaration. Third point is that a variable names are case sensitive. Means if you have declared a variable named as age and you have specified it with a value of 18 and then you have declared another variable named as age and you have declared it with a value of 23, both variables are different and having a unique value in them. A variable name can start with an underscore sign. No other special symbols are allowed rather than underscore and dollar sign. So suppose you need to declare this variable, you can specify the underscore sign with it. Then this declaration will be valid declaration. Our variable can hold a dollar sign as well. Let's say this is a valid declaration. But if I try to put some other special symbols like hash, this is not allowed. @ this is also not allowed. So these are the concept of our variable. Thanks for watching.